Jean Paul say, well, woman, the way they turn